Hello guys, welcome to my this video. My name is Anuj and today in this JavaScript tutorial, I will show you how to sort a string value from an array object. So guys, here I have an array object. You can see this is array object variable and here some object are there. Okay. So here one string value name. Okay. So I will sort this name from this array object. Okay, and here I have one simple array, no without object. You can see there also I have added some string. So when we sort from an array, that is very easy, right? Just simply we write array dot sort method. So from here, first of all I will sort, and then from array object I will sort, and I will show you how we can do that. So now here in this array, so here I will simply write array dot sort, okay, and like this. So here if I console and if I now print this array, so let's see what I will get in console. See, it is sorted, right? So in our original array you can see first H then G, but here you can see first this name came and after that which name started from H then I, like this way it sorted, right? So it is very simple, but when I will sort it from an object, that is little difficult means guys we have to add some different process. So here how we can do that. So now here I will write this one I want to sort, so I will copy this variable and here I will paste, then dot sort method, and after that here I will pass two variable, okay, not variable, two parameter a and b. But with those parameter name you can pass anything, okay, and I'm using fetch arrow function. Okay, if you want to use function you can do that. If you want to use function, so here this is actually ES6 syntax. ES6 means JavaScript 6 syntax, but if you want like using function you can do that. I'll show you that one also. Like just simple thing, sort, and then here you have to write function, and here you have to pass two parameter like this, a and b, and then here you have to write like this. Okay, so you can use this syntax also or you can use this syntax. Okay, so now after that here a and b, what is a and what is b? So a means it will consider first object, b means it will consider second object, right? So it will compare from first and second. Okay, and sort method already a loop in background. Okay, means first it will compare from this to this, means this one first object it will consider a, second object it will consider b. So first it will compare like a to b, right? Which one it will be it will be first, means suppose here you can see G should be come first, right? Which name started from G, so I mean between those two, right? So G will be in a, inside a after first loop. Okay, then again it will consider b, so then G and b it will compare. So here this one will be first, so again it will store in a, then it will come here, so it will consider, I mean it will compare from this to this, like this way actually it will loop. Okay, so here how you can do write this thing. So first I will take one variable let variable name, suppose I will write if a, okay, if a equals to this a dot name, because here I told it will compare basis on object, but here actually not whole object, right? I have to separate from name. So a dot name, okay, so a dot name dot two lowercase, I will write two lowercase method, means here see it started from capital H. So all the things first I will compile into lowercase and then I will just compare. Okay, and another variable if b, okay, here I will put b, means second object b will consider, I told the second object this and this, a, this is a and this is b. Okay, it will consider like this way. So b dot name b also need to be lowercase, right? So b dot name dot to lowercase again, like this. Okay, so now, okay, here I added the wrong thing to lowercase, this one. Okay, to lowercase, this one. Okay, so now here, after that, now I can compare. Okay, so here I will write one condition. If now I this a value I store in fa and b value I store in fb. So here I will write if a, first here, if a less than if b, then I will return -1. Okay, and another condition, if a greater than fb. Greater than means here which one is short? This one. Now if when it will consider this one and this one, so g will be less than. Okay, g will be, I mean this one will be less than from this, so it will return -1. So it will not consider like this way. Actually it will work. Okay, when if a, this one will be greater than fb, means this one is an greater than, okay, from this, so it will return 1, means then this condition, I mean this sort method will work. Okay, so here I will write return 1. Return 1 means it will consider, and return -1 means it will not consider. Okay, so when this one means if a will greater than, means the h is greater, I mean first come g, right, then come h. So h is greater than g, so that time it will sort. Okay, means this condition when it will fulfill, so it will sort. Sort means this one will come first and this one will come second. Like this way, actually all the process will complete for each object. I hope guys I can explain clearly. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I always try to explain about the code in comment section, or you can just join in my Insta ID, you will get in description. And now guys, by default I will write return 0. Okay, so now in the console I will print this array object, arr, this variable means this one. Okay, by the way, this variable you can store inside another variable, because now what I'm doing, I'm just sorting original array object. But if you don't want original one, so you can put it inside another variable like this. Okay, you can do it. Okay, but this is for showing purpose, like main motive how you can sort, so that's why I'm not doing this thing. So just simply I will add here. Okay, and now I will check in the console it's sorted or not. Okay, so see, first g, because g is the short one, then h, then I. Okay, it's sorted like this one. So I hope guys it is clear. Okay, this is ascending order. If you supple this thing, means I will come first, then h, then g. So you can do it like here, when you can do it like this way. When it will less than, then this sort functionality will work, means return 1, and here you can write like this. Okay, so you will find it will shuffle. See, I come first, h, then g. If you find this video is helpful for you, so please like this video and share with others, and also subscribe my channel to get more content like this.